Hey guys, Chef Mark with the tip of the day. I want to talk to you guys about sectioning an orange. What I'm going to do, cut off both sides, cutting off a fair amount of the rind, pretty deep, so that I can see the complete inside of the orange. And then I'm just going to follow the curvature here, making sure that I get as much of the rind off as possible. It's tricky when you get to the bottom. You really got to dive in at the bottom, otherwise it's going to feel like you're leaving too much on. If you are leaving too much on, to really get in there at the bottom, or you're going to have all that rind stuck to it. Here you go. You got a perfectly clean orange now. Then what I'm going to do, it's kind of hard to see, but I'm going to cut in between the splines, like so, and I end up with really nice orange segment. The orange segment, of course, is just no pith, no rind, and no seed. These are really great on salads, on garnish, and then what I do at the end here, say maybe I'm making a nice orange vinaigrette, is after I've segmented the entire orange, I go through and just squeeze out the remaining pith for juice. Takes a little practice. It might be easier with a paring knife instead of a big chef knife. Try that if it's giving you a hard time. There you go, Chef Mark, tip of the day.